Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make custard vanilla ice cream. Very soft, super creamy, without condensed milk and without cornflour. Today we are going to make this super tasty ice cream in a very easy and quick way. So let's see its recipe. To make ice cream, first of all, we will take 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 cup of sugar, and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. So first of all we will take a pan, transfer the milk to the pan. Along with it we will add sugar in it and mix it a little. Now keep it aside. Now here we will take 1/4 cup milk separately. We will add milk powder in it and custard powder, and we will mix these three well. Be careful that we will mix custard powder in a room temperature milk only. If we add hot milk in it, then it will become lumpy. Here the milk powder, custard powder and milk are mixed well. Now we will put the pan on the stove and boil the milk on medium to high flame and cook the sugar. It's important to cook the sugar here because sugar releases water when cooked. So it is important to cook and burn this water completely. If there is any water left in it, it will form ice crystal and the ice cream will not become so creamy. Here milk has also been boiled and sugar has also been dissolved. Now we will slow down the flame completely. Now add mixed custard powder little by little and stir it continuously so that its lumps are not made. We will keep stirring and cooking it until it becomes thick. It will not take much time for it to thicken. Just within a minute it will become thick. Here you can see that the consistency of the custard powder has become firm. So now we will turn off the flame and transfer this custard into a separate bowl. I have mentioned the quantity of the sugar because the whipping cream I am using here is already sweet. If you are using fresh plain cream, then increase the amount of sugar a little more. So now we will keep this custard in a freezer to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, this custard has completely cooled down. So now we will transfer it to the mixture jar. Along with this, we will add whipping cream in it and vanilla essence. We will blend these three in a mixture. Here I have blended these three well in the mixture. Now we will transfer it to the container. I have taken a round container here. You can take any shaped container of your choice. Now we will lid the container and keep the ice cream mixture in the freezer to freeze for 2 to 3 hours. When this ice cream gets completely frozen, then blend it once again in the mixture and again we will keep it in the freezer to freeze. This will make our ice cream more creamy. So after this repeating process, the ice cream is ready. To take it out, we will keep its bottom in normal water for some time so that it comes out easily. So here our super tasty and soft ice cream is ready. We can easily make it in any flavor by adding emulsion or by adding fresh fruits. We just have to keep the same method of making it. We will garnish it with our favorite nuts and chocolates. So you must try this recipe and tell us by commenting how you like this recipe. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.